What's up guys, it's Slider from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to align background image into your Slider Revolution WordPress plugin. So as you can see right here, we have a background image into my slider, but when I added it, it was into a different section. It's a big image, it's a tall image, so I have to align this, and I'm gonna explain for you how to do this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. Remember to access dashboard. In the browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin, review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard and select Slider Revolution. Find the slider you made, okay, scroll down. My slider is called Slider 1, so I'm gonna hover my mouse over it and click into the pencil icon in order to load the slider. So imagine the following scenario. Let me select the second slider. Right here I have the background image. To access background image, review the upper right corner of your screen. Right here we have the slider option, and the first option right here into this right sidebar, it's background. Right here we have the image on media library. So here is the image. But what happens if I try to change this image? For example, to this one. Can you see? I almost can see the woman's face. It's because the background image is aligned to the center. We can fix it. Scroll down, and right here we have cover, contain, and auto, the option to repeat and the options to align. Let me change the position, just like this, for example. Like this. Or maybe like this, or in the middle like this. Up to you and to your needs, of course. I recommend that you upload the image into the size that you're gonna use, but of course you can play with the options. You can set the image to repeat in the case that you want, the image to contain, but the best option is to cover, to occupy all the slider size. However, problem is, if you upload a very taller image, you're never gonna be able to align it. So I recommend that you use an image that you upload the image into the size that you're gonna use on the slider, so into the same proportion. And it is. Here is one example of good image to the slider. Nice, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!